Welcome to our tutorial on how to change chat wallpaper on WhatsApp. In this video, we will guide you through the steps to customize the wallpaper in your chat conversations. Let's get started. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your Android device. Once you have opened the app, navigate to the chat conversation for which you want to change the wallpaper. Step 2. In the chat conversation, tap on the 3 dots located at the top right corner of the screen. This will open a drop-down menu with various options. Step 3. From the drop-down menu, select the option labeled Wallpaper. This will take you to the wallpaper settings for that specific chat. Step 4. Within the wallpaper settings, tap on the option that says Change. This will allow you to select a new wallpaper for the chat conversation. Step 5. A selection of wallpaper options will appear for you to choose from. Scroll through the options and select the wallpaper that you want to use in the chat. Step 6. Once you have chosen your desired wallpaper, tap on the button that says Set Wallpaper. This will apply the selected wallpaper to the chat conversation. Step 7. Congratulations, you have successfully changed the chat wallpaper on WhatsApp. You can now enjoy a personalized touch to your conversations with custom wallpapers. That's it for this tutorial. We hope you found this guide helpful in customizing your chat experience on WhatsApp. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using WhatsApp. See you in the next video.